Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we're in Italy, a country known for its art. So while we're here, we're touring factories that produce masterpieces. Masterpieces on wheels. We're going to Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Pagani. While vacationing in Italy, we're staying in the stunning medieval city of Bologna. Bologna is the food capital of Italy and also the largest city in the Emilia Romagna region. This region is also known as the Motor Valley. That's because it's home to the factories producing some of the world's fastest, most coveted, and most expensive automobiles. Ducati Motorcycle Factory is also here, but today we're focusing on the cars. Our first stop is the Lamborghini Factory and Museum, located about 40 minutes outside the city, past fields of sunflowers. So many places we visited on this trip have been a shrine to history, but this place is a temple of power and speed. We walk into the two-story self-guided Lamborghini Museum that is lined with Lamborghini's most iconic models. Some of our favorites were Lamborghini 350 GT, this is the one that started it all. The Lamborghini Countach, now I'm a child of the 80s, so this was the car at the time. This is where the folding door concept came to be. And the Lamborghini LM002. This is an unlikely model. It came about as a result of a failed attempt to win an American military contract. Wow. Look at guys, the tires match the interior.
Mom, which one do you think would buy?
First hybrid super sports car.
This one is?
Yeah.
This is the first hybrid super sports car. Time for the factory tour, and sadly, no phones, cameras, or bags allowed. All personal belongings must be stored in a locker. Factory floor is top secret stuff. Now, we visited a Ford plant back in the States, and this is not that. The artisans who work here assemble each car by hand and work alongside automatic guided vehicle robots that help direct the cars to their 27 different production stations. Lamborghini produces less than 30 cars a day. All right, so we didn't get to film, obviously, inside of Lamborghini. So what'd you take from it? What was your favorite part?
Well, one, I didn't know that their SUVs are pushing all their money. All right, they're making the most profit out of that, which I'm not personally a big fan of. I like the supercars.
Yeah, I want it to look like a spaceship.
Exactly. But it was a very good tour. The SUVs come in 300 different colors. The cars you can get in 400 different colors. And they are technically, they're still a Lamborghini, so they're making an SUV that's 800 horsepower. That's insane.
Who needs a gallon of milk that fast?
Right. The place was clean.
Immaculate. I'd be totally comfortable getting surgery in there.
Right. All the employees were nicely dressed and clean. And then also did I say the robotics? Yeah, the robotics that were moving things around, like whole chassis of cars were moving along without anybody driving them. They were just a robot driving it along the whole chassis along the thing. So that was really cool.
And before hitting the road, we perused the gift shop. What'd you buy, baby?
A toy Lamborghini.
Oh, I like it.
All we have to do is add water and it grows into a normal size Lamborghini.
Oh, or plant it.
Yeah, there you go.
Next, we're heading over to the Ferrari Museum. This is only a museum stop because to tour the Ferrari factory, you have to own a Ferrari. And sadly, that's not us, which is why it's probably a good time to remind you to like and subscribe. Ferrari Museum tells the story of Ferrari, past and present, with their cars. There's a huge section dedicated to racing. Ferrari founder Enzo Ferrari was focused on dominating the motorsport world with his passion for speed and performance. Ferrari quickly gained recognition for their exceptional engineering, and that set the stage for production. Ferrari's original color, I think most people would guess, would be red, but it was actually yellow.
Hi.
That's right, yellow. Enzo Ferrari chose yellow as a symbolic color of Modena, the city where he was born. Then the FIA required all Italian race cars to be red. Ferrari then continued years later with the color, but still using the yellow in the Ferrari shield. We did learn on tour that Ferrari has about 10 or 12 other colors, all in different shades, but I can't imagine getting anything but Ferrari red, or Rosso Corsa. Translation, race red. There's also a gift shop and a cafe, but you're in Emilia Romagna region. Take yourself out to lunch. They are as serious about food here as they are about cars. This is the production area of Italy's finest food exports. Mortadella, Parmigiano Reggiano, Prosciutto di Parma, and balsamic vinegar. After our fabulous lunch, we leave for our last factory and museum, Pagani. Pagani is a supercar, a high-performance, street-legal sports car that's known for speed, luxury, and exclusivity. Holy smokes, this car is radically designed and has been a track-killing machine since 1992, and is generally more expensive than Ferrari or Lamborghini. The museum portion starts with a film and is guided. But then, like the Lambo tour, phones and cameras are locked away. No filming on the factory floor. The factory here is bonkers. Pagani is fully hand-built carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is strong but incredibly lightweight. The material is baked on molds in massive kilns. Pagani uses Mercedes-AMG engines known for quality and personally handcrafted by a single engineer who signs their name to the engine when done. Now remember how Lamborghini produces around 30 cars a day? Well, Pagani makes about 40 cars a year.
So what did you like about the Pagani tour?
So about the Pagani tour, I learned that they put in gold and diamond fibers into their paint to make it
ground
look,
up.
ground up.
And not in all their cars. That's a custom job.
Yeah, that's a
But it's
custom.
really cool, and we got to see a car today, that had ground up gold in it.
It was super cool.
It was super cool.
We finish our day at the Pagani gift shop and leave with champagne wishes, caviar dreams, and a nifty t-shirt.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.